Hello there. Here's my Kawasaki Ninja. Here she is. And we are going to test drive the Goan Classic 350, which is the best looking Enfield I have ever seen. I mean, look at that. What the fuck? I mean, look at those orange wheels. That spike looks beautiful. Looks like a piece of art. Look at that seat. So the normal bike comes without the second seat. It's a bobber, but there is a second seat out here for some reason. These colors look beautiful. I mean, look at the finish on this bike. This is a good Royal Enfield. I don't know how it's going to sitting position going to be, but 350cc engine, tried and tested. Does the whole swipe. Lovely. Okay, let's test out the Goan Classic. Okay, sitting position is, wow, it is those ape handlebars on those chopper bikes in the US, Harley Davidsons and all that. And now getting the bike out is going to be a pain in the ass. Look what they've done to Thane, baba. Okay, it sounds a bit different. Okay, so Kawasaki Ninja 300 rider rides Goan Classic 350. Completely different, opposite style of bike. Giving it to the YouTube viewers out there, my honest opinion about Royal Enfield's thumper engines. Dup, 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 dup. And we have a Bulldozer. Bulldozer also does dup, 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 but not the same dup, dup as... what is this guy doing? Okay, from there I believe. Oh my god. Oh my god, the suspension is... oh my god, the suspension is not having fun. Oh my god. Oh my god, the sitting position is so aggressive. Oh my god, I mean, not aggressive, so casual. It's like sitting on a sofa. Oh my god, the engine is so refined. What the fuck have you done, Royal Enfield? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, suspension is bad. Suspension is bad. From the get-go, little bit of a bad road and the suspension is bad. Oh my god. Suspension is not fun. Okay, we are on the road. Let's see how this bike performs on the road. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is lovely. Oh my god, this is such a nice experience. What the fuck? This is fun. Okay. Okay. This is not a bike to enjoy fast. You have to go slow. Thump of the engine is better. I think it sounds thoda ज़्यादा refined sound कर रहा है इसका exhaust note than the Classic 350. I think there's a small puncture, but I'm not sure. Fuck. Okay, let's... yeah, there is a small puncture in the tire, but okay. Oh shit. The horn is too far away. I have to literally stretch my hand to get to the horn. Okay, let's rev. Oh, lovely. Oh my god. Oh, this is fun. Okay, this is different. This is different. I like this. I absolutely like this. It's not fast or anything, but god damn, this is a fun motorcycle. This is very unique. The suspension is just very bouncy. Same engine as the Classic. I know what a Classic feels like. Oh fuck, I can't even horn at this guy because the horn is too far away and my thumb is not reaching the horn. What are you doing, Royal Enfield? Put the horn a bit closer. Okay, let's see what kind of like people are absolutely looking at this bike. This bike gets attention wherever you go, especially the colors, the look of it. Let me tell you, this is a big bike and it doesn't feel heavy. It feels quite light, to be honest. And it's just the worst hour. It's Friday evening? No, it's Thursday evening, and well, it doesn't matter. Traffic everywhere, every day. Brakes are responsive, a bit squishy, but okay. They get the job done. Nothing extraordinary. The handling on this bike is absolutely zero. I don't feel the confidence to filter and do turns because this bike has just not got that agility. The handlebars leave you in a very compromising position. So it's nice for like straight roads, empty roads, but if you want to really filter through, I'm not a big fan. You can do it. I mean, I can do it because I have the skill to do it, but most people are going to find this annoying. Ja. Oh my god. Let's go! Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is a very unique motorcycle. I can't see myself riding this bike. Maybe the Lonavala Max, but it just doesn't have that touring factor. Yeah, it's a good. Just the horn is in a very fucked up place. White headlight, as the mirror reflection will probably show you. It's a white light. I love it. But it's a bike like you take to office and that's it, because you just want to show off. There's no long-term practicality. This is a non-practical bike. It's not for practical people. I mean, people love the bike. People are staring at it. But this color is beautiful. But I would recommend this to somebody who just is riding from office to home, home to office, and you want a cool bike to show off. Mirrors in chrome look pretty nice. I mean, the fit and finish and design on this bike is absolutely bonkers. I mean, if I had a guy just stop me and ask me what's the on-road price, people love this bike looks-wise. I mean, and it's just the handling that doesn't convince me. Exhaust note, amazing. Biggest pro of the bike, it's a completely different bike. Like, you haven't ridden anything like that in India before. Engine, amazing, good, smooth, refined. Suspension, bad, not very fun. Not very fun at all, to be honest. So pros, engine and looks, and just the handlebars are amazing. Like, it's just nice. I mean, I guess मैं अभी खाली 10-15 मिनट से चला रहा हूँ गाड़ी, तो मुझे मज़ा आ रहा है. But I don't know how I'll feel about this bike later on. But हाईवे पे तो ये गाड़ी आप चला नहीं सकते हो. Definitely not. It's not got that highway factor. So engine is good. Looks. This bike is all about the looks. It's a good looking bike. It's a good show off bike. I mean, it looks beautiful. This color just looks insane. But it's not a practical bike. Suspension is not great. Your hands will hurt after a while, and your back, the full pressure is on your back, so I don't fuck with the sitting position for that long. But you get a good open road, and wow. It's the classic engine, yeah. The pickup is good. Vibes are very well contained. I mean, मैं 4th gear में चला रहा हूँ अभी. So the vibes are well contained generally. It's standard vibes. But yeah, I'll give this bike an 8 on 10, but it's not a practical bike. अगर आप practical bike ढूंढते हो तो just go for the classic 350. The classic 350 suspension is way more forgiving, and you can ride that bike on the highway. I have ridden the classic 350 in long distance rides. I've taken my friend's bike. The sitting position. So it's got that same, not same actually. Classic का थोड़ा sitting position पैर का आगे है ज़्यादा. This bike is like more in between. Front है like a sofa seating है, but like you're sitting on a sofa, but not that lazy. Yeah, I'll give this bike an 8 on 10. I mean, if you're looking for something in the city, just to chill, fun, take the bike out for a Sunday ride, this is a gorgeous bike, beautiful bike. Loved it. Very unique in Royal Enfield.